square ABCD is made up of 3 small squares, 2 small triangles, and 4 large triangles. What are they talking about? Where are the 3 small squares? Okay, here. 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 small squares. Then 2 small triangles. Here. 1, 2. And 4 large triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then they ask, what is the ratio of the shaded part of the square, which is this and this, to the unshaded part? Okay. See, if you want to do ratio, right, you must ensure that all the units, they are the same. See, there's a small triangle, then square, then big triangle. Okay, this one is a little bit confusing. We have to make it all the same. In order to make it all the same, right, okay, I'm going to use a marker for this one because it seems a little bit easier to teach you all via marker. Give me a second, let me... Okay, I found my marker. So I'm going to use this big marker. Do you all realize that I can actually cut up the figure into different small triangles as well? You see, there are 2 triangles in 1 square. What if I take this square, I cut it into 2 pieces as well? So what's going to happen? Isn't it 2 triangles? Same, right? It's the same as this one. So I cut this one over here also. I cut. Okay? Now, how about these 2 triangles? If I cut over here, isn't it the same? They're all the same, right? Okay. See, if I continue cutting it, I cut here. Now, after cutting all the figures out, right? Now, they're all the same. Now, I have how many small triangles? In 1 square, I have 4 triangles. Total, how many squares do I have? I have 1 square, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares with 4 triangles inside. Now, I can say number of small triangles. I'm going to put triangles like that. Number of small triangles will be 4 square with 4 triangles inside. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. 4 times 4 equals to 16. I have 16 small triangles. How many of the triangles are shaded? 1, 2, 3. So 3 shaded small triangles. They're asking for what is the ratio of the shaded part of the square, which is 3 triangle, to the unshaded part of the square. Unshaded is how many? Total, I have 16. I shade 3. I'm left with what? 16 minus 3, right? Will give me 13, right? So this will be 13. So what's the ratio? 3 is to 13, no? Can it be simplified any further? How do you check whether a ratio can be simplified? Put it in fraction form. 3 over 13. Can it be divided by the same number to make it smaller? No, right? You can't, right? So this is the answer. So for questions like this, go ahead and use your marker to go and cut it up into different pieces. Your end goal, your final goal for this is to cut it up into the same area. Okay? You do not anyhow cut, then cut into different areas. You cut into different areas, you cannot do ratio already. Okay? For you to do ratio, you must cut into the same one. Alright, done.